This one, let's talk about the Hasse diagram of inclusion for the power set of numbers or three elements of a three-element set, not numbers necessarily. So let's talk about that. So let's say our set A, or let's call it X, it doesn't matter, is consisting of A, B, C. And then what we can have is Hasse diagram basically means that we talk about the relation of the ordering. So in this case, it would be inclusion. And in the same height of the diagram, we put elements that are not comparable to each other. So one is not a subset of the other. And below them, we put the one that's immediately a subset, but we put yet below that, but it might be the immediate subset or immediate comparison. There can be no element that's comparable between them. So we cannot have something like a B between them. Then that's not considered. What the Hasse diagram relates, it's not this, but it always relates the immediate comparison. So let's draw it out as an example. Let's not go too much into technicalities. So for example, for this set ABC, let's care about the power set. Let's just denote it. Power set has a diagram for this set X ABC. So what we would have is on the top is ABC, the biggest set. And then we make lines for its subsets. So we can draw it like this. It will make a nice cubical sort of diagram. That's the arbitrary choice for this shape of it, so that's good. So one subset is AB, another subset is AC, and another subset is BC. Because if we go lower, there is a subset that's also a subset of these three, so we put them on the same level. So these are two-element subsets, but below them, we put the one-element subsets. So that would be, we can draw it like this. Might look a little bit confusing, but a subset of both AC and BC is the element C on its own. Be careful. B on its own. Then we have C here. And we have the element A on its own here. And a subset of all three of these, so we always do a line if it's actually a subset, is the empty set. So as we see, we were dropping down from the full set until the empty set, from the biggest one to the smallest one. And we see this image sort of resembles the shape of a cube when you think about it. It's very interesting. Similarly, we could, for example, talk about divisibility. Very often the example with number 12 is shown, which is an interesting thing to consider.